Introducing the Google Sheet Connector for WooCommerce by Sheet Connector. If you are using WooCommerce Store for your website, then consider using this add-on plugin, which will help you to send the WooCommerce data to Google Sheets, such as all order status, products and its variations, customers, discount coupons, etc., to Google Sheet in a real time. Here, we have installed the plugin and validated with a license key. Now it required to authenticate with Google. Along with Google Drive and Google Sheet permissions. Click Save and Authenticate to complete the authentication. Once you authenticated successfully, connected email will be shown here. And then click here to fetch sheets from the authenticated email. After successful authentication, navigate to the WooCommerce Data Settings tab. Choose the appropriate Google Sheet from the list. This section is for order status tabs. You can enable sheets to create, as required, like pending orders, processing orders, all orders, and so on. Custom order status shows if you have created any custom order in the site. Otherwise, it will show blank. Other sheet tabs will show more tabs to create, like products, products variation, customers, and coupons. Now, WooCommerce Orders row management setting is given. You can choose product-wise or order-wise. If selected product-wise, then multiple rows will be sent based on the order example. If you have an order with multiple products in cart, then each product will be shown in a new row. If you have selected order-wise, then entries will be shown in single row, even if multiple products are ordered in single checkout. Sort option is given to sort the ascending or descending wise entries, which helps to show the new order entry at top if set as descending. Product Category Filter will help to show the particular categories in Products tab. If none is selected, then by default, it will show all the categories in Products. If you've toggled all the options, you'll see tabs next to Orders Header, Products Header, Product Variation Header, Customer Header, and Coupons Header. In the Orders Header tab, you can add headers related to orders, products, static headers, and static blank headers. On the Orders Header tab, you can use the required fields from the list. You can add the extra header related to orders from the list. Also, if you are using any add-on plugins, then you can get the values of those fields as well, if those are listed. Let's take the cart discount value as an example. In the similar way, you can add the extra header related to products. Here also, if any custom field is found, then it will show along with all the possible values. As an example, let's take stock status. Custom static headers can be used for passing any of this details into the sheet. Custom static blank headers will help if you want to add a blank column somewhere for personal marking. Similarly, in other tabs, like Products Header, you can enable the required fields. You can enable fields in product variation, and also customers and discount coupons to get value into the sheet. You can also enable the freeze header and customize the header by adding background colors and apply background colors for odd even rows as well. Then, save the setting after making changes. And click on Submit Data to save. And all the fields you've chosen will automatically appear in Google Sheets. Now, whenever an order is placed on your site, the order details will be shown in this sheet automatically in real time. Now, after saving the setting, you can use the sync settings if you have orders in WooCommerce Store. Then you can synchronize orders. Sync products will help to sync all the products from the store. Sync product variations helps to sync the variable products if you are using any. Sync customers will sync all the users from the site, and sync coupons will sync all the coupons data from WooCommerce. Here, you have the option to download your spreadsheet. You can only download if you have the sheet permissions to edit. Let's make a purchase through WooCommerce to test and see how it works. I added 3 products to my cart and then increased the quantities of some of them to check. Now I am filling the form to purchase. It's just a test store with cash on delivery payment method. Now, let's place the order to confirm the order. Fantastic! Order has been placed. Wow, I can see the order details in the sheet. Now it works automatically whenever the orders has been placed in the WooCommerce store with any status. We have also launched the two-way sync, which helps to add and edit the products from Google Sheet to WooCommerce Store. You can bulk upload or bulk edit the products from here. This is the connected sheet. We are now adding the products from Google Sheet to WooCommerce. This settings will be used after adding products into the sheet. Now, make sure while inserting products, keep the product ID blank and add hyphen in last column. Now, let's start with adding the first product with product name CPU with status publish. I am keeping all the rest of the values blank. You can add the prices and everything related to product. Make sure to add hyphen, like this in the last column. I have added this product in row 9, which I required to sync. Now go back to plugin settings and enter the rows. Range from where I want to run the sync to insert the products. Now it's just one product, so I will use range 9 to 9. Once I clicked on sync, I can see success message that records from 9 to 9 has been added to my WooCommerce store. Now, while checking the sheet, I can see product ID is shown automatically, along with product slug and other by default field details is automatically filled. Now, let's check the product in my WooCommerce store. I can see the CPU product which has been created from the sheet. Similarly, I can do this in bulk. In the same way, update the products from the sheet. If you are updating the existing product, then use this section. I am editing the product details. Also, you can upload the image and media and give a link in specified column. and then add the hyphen in the last column. After editing the product, I am doing the same thing 9 to 9. And I can see the success message and the record has been updated. Now to insert and update the orders can also be done in a similar way. Now let's update the order status of order ID 43 as an example. Currently it's in processing and I am changing to completed. Make sure to write the same spelling, otherwise it will not work. Also, make sure to add hyphen in the last column and then go back to plugin settings. Here I am doing row 5 to 6. I can see the orders completed in WooCommerce order status. All these features are available in the Pro version of the plugin. You can try the free version with limited features, and then feel free to upgrade to Pro version from our website. You can compare the free versus Pro features from here for the perfect understanding.